Yawning in the presence of others is impolite. If the urge to yawn suddenly arises, rub your forehead in an upward stroke to suppress it. If this is not enough to restrain the yawn, use the tip of your tongue to lick your lips shut, and hide the yawn with your hand or sleeve to conceal it from others. Sneezes should also be stifled. Sneezes and yawns make you look quite silly. There are many other points of etiquette that you should be mindful of. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.